Next in setup phase is to set up cleaning and linen service. And if you take my advice, try and get one party responsible for both cleaning and linen. And I'm telling you this from my experience. When I started hosting, I spoke to a cleaning lady. She was going to come and clean my property, but she did not have any washing facilities. So I had to find someone else to do the linen. And I spoke to a linen service. They were going to come and deliver fresh laundry every time my cleaner is there. It all sounds great, but it doesn't work. And it became a mess for me very, very quickly. Because if you look at the details of the entire process, there will be only 3 or 4 hour window between the previous guest and the next guest. And because now you have 2 parties involved in that short window, if any one of them is running late, the cleaning cannot finish. If the cleaner is running late, the linen person cannot leave because they need to take the dirty laundry away. And at the same time, if the linen person is running late, cleaner cannot finish because they need the fresh laundry to finish. And it became a mess very, very quickly. So my advice to you would be try and get one person responsible for both cleaning and linen. And maybe you can do what I eventually did. I still use the same cleaning lady. She still does not have any washing facilities. But what I did was I spoke to a laundrette which was on her way to my property. And now all she has to do is pick up the fresh laundry, and while going back, she just has to drop the dirty laundry. And that makes it fail-proof for me. And I have a spare set stored in my property just in case there is a problem at the laundrette. They forgot to wash it or they didn't open one day. Just to cover all those extreme scenarios, I have a separate pair in my property which I can use in case of emergencies. I keep 3 sets of linen. One is in use, the other one is in washing, and the third one is the spare one that is for emergencies. So try and have something like that, and try and make sure as soon as the guest leaves, your cleaner goes in there. Do not delay the cleaning. When people start, I've seen sometimes they do this mistake until they receive the next booking, they do not get clean. That is a big, big mistake. So try and do not leave the cleaning. As soon as someone leaves, your cleaners should be going straight in, not only just to keep the property ready for the next guest. There is another reason for that is you want to find out how the previous guest left the property. Did they leave any damages? Did they leave it extra dirty? And all those things. So it is a best practice to get the cleaners sharp at your checkout time. They should be at the door and be in the property as soon as the guest leaves.